Hello friend, welcome back my new video. If you want to start speaking English confidently, the most important thing you need is a simple system that you can follow every single day. Most learners feel nervous. They translate in their mind. They get stuck on word, and when the moment comes to speak, their mind goes blank. If this happened to you, don't worry. It happened to almost everyone in the beginning. In today's blog, I am going to show you how you can start speaking English from day one, how to remove fear, and how listening to English podcast can completely change your fluency within a few months. Let's start with the biggest mistake. Many learners try to memorize hundreds of words, long grammar rules, or complicated sentences before they speak. But speaking does not work like that. Speaking improves only when you actually speak, even if the sentences are simple and broken. Fluency means flow, and flow comes only when you practice speaking every day in a natural way. You don't need perfect English to start. You need courage, consistency, and a simple routine. The second big problem is translation. Almost all beginners translate from their native language to English before speaking. This slows down your brain, your mouth stops, your confidence drops, and you feel embarrassed. The solution is to train your brain to think in short English phrases. For example, instead of thinking, मैं अभी काम कर रहा हूँ, train your brain to think, I am working now. Instead, आप मुझे भूख लगी है, think I am hungry. Small phrases like these become automatic with practice, and this is exactly where podcast can help you. If you listen to English podcast every day, even for 10 to 20 minutes, your brain starts absorbing natural English. The note, rhythm, phrases, pattern, everything become familiar. It's same way children learn their mother tongue. They listen first, then speak naturally. Podcasts are like your free personal English coach that talk to you anytime you want. You can listen while walking, cooking, traveling, or doing your daily tasks. This passive listening creates an English environment around you, even if you live in a non-English speaking place. But listen alone is not enough. You must combine listening with speaking. Here is a simple routine that works for thousands of learners. First, choose any English podcast you like. It can be about motivation, daily life, stories, or English learning. Listen for 10 to 15 minutes. While listening, don't try to understand every word. Focus on the tone and phrases. After you finish listening, choose 5 lines you remember from the podcast and repeat them out loud in your own voice. Don't worry if it is not exactly the same. The goal is to get comfortable speaking English naturally. The next step is slow down. Slow down means you listen and speak at the same time, like a shadow. If the speaker says, I want to share something important, you repeat it softly right after them. That train your mouth muscles, your pronunciation, and your rhythm. Even 5 minutes of shadowing a day can change your fluency in a few weeks. Many people feel shy doing this, but you can do it alone in your room with earphones. No one will judge you. Now the question is, how do you start if you are a complete beginner? It is simple. Start with very small sentences. Instead of trying to talk about big topics, talk about your day. Say things like, I am waking up, I am brushing my teeth, I am making tea, I am going to work, I am tired, I am happy, I am learning English. These sentences feel small, but they teach your brain to think in English. When you do this daily, your speaking grows automatically. Another powerful technique is self-talk. Talking to yourself in English is the fastest way to improve fluency because there is no pressure. No one is listening, no one is judging. You are free to make mistakes. Choose any topic like your routine, your dreams, your goals, or your experience and speak for 2 to 3 minutes. Record your voice and listen again. You will notice your mistake, your pronunciation, and your progress. Confidence is the biggest part of English speaking. Many people know English but cannot speak confidently because they are afraid of making mistakes. But mistakes are part of the process. When you walk for the first time, you fall. When you drive for the first time, you make mistakes. English speaking is the same. The more mistakes you make, the faster you learn. Don't run away from mistakes. Embrace them, accept them, correct them. This is the mindset of fluent speaker. Now let's talk about a simple 20-minute routine you can follow every day to improve your English. Through podcast. Step number 1. Listen to an English podcast for 10 minutes. Step 2. Repeat the best line from the podcast out loud. Step number 3. Shadow the speaker for 2 to 3 minutes. Step number 4. Speak for 2 minutes about what you learned. Step number 5. Add 5 new English phrases to your brain. This routine is powerful, and if you follow it daily for 30 minutes, your fluency, confidence, and thinking ability will grow faster than you can imagine. Some people think they need an English partner to practice, but the truth is you can become fluent even without a partner. Podcast. Act like your partner. Self-talk. Act like your partner. Recording your voice. Act like your partner. All you need is daily practice and patience. If you are serious about improving your English speaking, start today, not tomorrow. Start with a small step. Listen, speak, repeat, shadow, train your brain, build your confidence. Consistency is more important than perfection. Even 20 minutes a day can transform your English in 3 months. So open your favorite English podcast today. Press play and start speaking. Your fluency journey began with one small step. Keep going, keep speaking, and one day you will look back and realize how far you are come.